Thank you, Mr. Mahawar. Actually, यहाँ शुद्ध हिंदी सुन के मेरा थोड़ा so it will be in English. As Mr. Mahawar has told, we are just like ONGC, but in a very scaled down way. So we are basically present in Duliajan, our registered headquarters in Duliajan, Assam. We have our operations in Assam, Arunachal Pradesh, Mizoram, Rajasthan, Kakinada also we have some presence. We have office in Bhubaneswar, Kolkata, and some overseas ventures. So today is आज का जो मैं देखा CSR in local healthcare ecosystem and field operations. So basically technical. So I will not मैं फिर से ये नहीं बोलूँगा कि क्या CSR का क्या importance है, कैसा होना चाहिए, ऐसा है. So I'll not go into those details. I'll straight away go to the technical things. See, as a PSU, it is mandated that 2% आपको खर्चा करना है for CSR. But if you look at Oil India Limited, we are spending much more than that, almost 5%. So हमारा जो as per our PAT, it should be around 49 crore. But we end up spending more than 120 crore. So there are two things which I have seen. One is skill and learning ka tha, and next was the health. So I'll first just briefly touch upon what we are doing in skill. There are a lot of things which we are doing. Healthcare, then sustainable development. So I'll just touch, first I'll speak about skill. Skill के लिए हम लोग क्या कर रहे हैं? As a oil sector, we have been mandated to make 6 skill institutes across India. And one is in Vizag, the other one is in Raebareli, and we have been given in the northeast, in Guwahati. So in that skill institute, we have trained around 2,500 boys and girls in the last 3-4 years, and most of them have been engaged, not only in northeast, but across India. And you will be happy to know that 4 of the girls have been selected, and they will be going to Tokyo. They are from the remote areas, very, very remote areas from our operational areas. So they have been recently selected. The ambassador of Japan, he went to Guwahati. They interviewed, and as a first batch, 4 girls, they will be working in Tokyo as a caregiver. And keeping in view the pandemic situation, we have focused in healthcare, A&M, assistant nursing. So all of them, जितने भी आज तक ट्रेनिंग लिए हैं हमारे girls, you can say women empowerment, 100% got engagement. And during this pandemic also, we could engage 390 boys and girls in the health sector during the pandemic. And some of them have come here in Sharda Hospital in Noida. They are working here during the pandemic. So that was all about. And we have another thing called Swabalamban. That is also a part of skill. There we have trained till date around 14,000 boys and girls. That is directly from Oil India Limited. And you will find, go to most of the 5-star properties in India. You go there, you will find, especially girls, all trained under our Swabalamban training program. So they are placed in all 5 stars across India. अब now मैं main मुद्दे पे आ रहा हूँ. That is what we did for COVID-19. Oil sector as a whole, after the clarion call given by our beloved Prime Minister, so we had done a concerted effort. So Oil India ने क्या किया? So I'll just explain to you. During the second wave, what we have done, we have helped in establishing 9 PSA oxygen plants, 5 in Bihar, including Patna Medical College. 5 in Bihar oxygen plant, 2 in UP, 1 in Kaushambi and 1 in Badhoi, 1 in Pasighat, that's in Arunachal Pradesh, and 1 in Nagaland. So these 9 we are providing, 2 of them have been commissioned, and I'm sure if, that's a big if, agar third wave I hope it should not come, but if it comes, before that, all the oxygen plant will be ready. And oil sector as a whole has come up, has assisted to build 110 oxygen plant across India. So our share is not much, only 9. Then we have given another 3 oil-free oxygen boosters to Arunachal Pradesh. Then there was a lot of killat for oxygen concentrators. Then we have distributed around 1,500 oxygen concentrators, 500 in Assam, and rest across various parts of India. Next was again a very big problem, वो था oxygen cylinder. So we have, as a concerted effort from the entire oil sector, GAIL took the initiative, and our share was 3,000 oxygen cylinder. 2,000 we have given to Arunachal Pradesh, rest are across various parts of India. Apart from that, Oil India has helped in setting up COVID hospitals, healthcare center. The biggest one is in Guwahati, 300 bedded hospital in collaboration with DRDO. All 200 oxygen bed and 100 ICUs. It's a huge center. There also we have contributed. It is with the collaboration of Government of Assam, DRDO and Oil India Limited. And apart from that, prior to the second wave, we had contributed to PM's Care Fund almost 38-40 crores. Then just before the second wave, we had given deep freezers, Iceland refrigerators to Government of Assam for the vaccination. And awareness programs and all those things are normal now. And the only way to fight COVID now is through vaccinations. And I take pride in telling you that each and every employee of Oil India Limited have been vaccinated. At least first dose. And around 40% of them have already taken second dose. We are organizing vaccination camps. Okay, that was only for employees. We have not stopped there. We have vaccinated the family members, the dependents, even the contract laborers who are working for us, and the community. Here I'll tell you, because I work here in corporate office in Noida, it is just like a bio bubble for us. All the people who work in that premise have been vaccinated. Almost 80 to 90% got the double dose. Even the contract laborers, we have gone up to the children, the spouse, even the teachers who come for the house. So I said, you please bring your teachers to our office, we will vaccinate them. The shopkeepers where our people usually go, we have called them and we vaccinated them. So and the people whom we could find in and around that sector in Noida. So we have vaccinated them. And we have our oil hospital there in Duliajan. It's a 190-bedded hospital. It is a vaccination center. Till date, we have given vaccination very recently, around 10,000 vaccination we have completed, 15 days back. And I'll not take much of your time. It's already delayed. So since maybe some other time what we do for a CSR, there are a lot of things which we are doing across in India and particularly in Northeast. So with this, I'll conclude. Wish you all a very, very safe and something days ahead. Thank you. Thank you so much.